Today on Max Handy Gadgets, we're making spaghetti pizza with ham, sausage, green onions, spinach, and cheese. So let's get started. Yeah, to get started making our spaghetti pizza, I think we're going to end up just chopping up some more spinach leaves. Put them in a bowl. Okay. Now we're going to cut up some green onion. Where'd that piece go? I don't know. Yeah, we're going to put them in a bowl. Yeah, for the sausage, we're going to be using these Oscar Mayer Smokies. Hardwood smoked sausages. They're good. We'll just use a couple and cut them up. Okay, let's get them out of the package here. Take two out. And we're probably microwaving them, warm them up a little bit, cook them a little bit. So let's just slice them up. Put them on an angle if you want. All right. Now put them in a bowl. Think that bowl is big enough? Yep. There you go. Okay. Yeah, we already have our pre-cooked spaghetti. Now all we need is a couple eggs. We just crack a couple eggs in there. There's one. Got 3 eggs. And we're going to beat them up. Add a little bit of garlic, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We'll beat that up a little. Okay. Yeah, now we just put our sausage in the microwave and warm it up. Yeah, now all we have to do is start cooking. Set your burner to medium low. Put a little oil in the pan. Add your flour tortilla. Put some of your spaghetti noodles in there. Yeah, we made those yesterday, I think. Yep. Had too many, so we're just going to put them in there. Spread them around a little. Yeah. Looks like quite a bit. Yeah, that looks pretty good. It's pretty hot yet. It's already hot. All right. Now we're gonna add our 3 eggs with our spices and everything. Okay. Now we're going to put just a little bit of ham underneath here so that when you cut through it, it'll kind of show. A little bit of ham. Hope you can see this. It's kind of a cloudy day. Okay. Now we're going to add a little bit of our tomato sauce on top. Just drizzle it on there. We're going to add more later when it cooks. All right. Now let's cover that and let that cook just for a little bit. Okay, let's give her a check. Yeah, it's getting pretty good. Starting to bubble around the edge. We'll add a little bit more of our sauce. Just like that. Now we're going to spritz it with a little bit more ham. And we're going to add our sausage. Looks like enough sausage to you. Right? Now we better cover that and let that cook. Okay, let's give her a check. Yeah, that looks pretty good. Now, I think we're going to be adding some cheese. We'll just put regular old American cheese on here for now. Tear it in little strips. And we're going to spritz it with some sharp cheese. You like cheese? Yeah, me too. Look like enough on there yet? I think so. Now we're going to add the rest of our sausages. Put them on top. Remember, I cooked these in the microwave. And we'll spritz it with a little bit more ham. Yeah, this has got a lot in it. Now, we'll put our green onions on top. I always like these. They make it look nice, plus they do taste pretty good. Alright, now we'll just do a little bit of spinach leaves. Alright, now we have to, oh, I missed this piece. Anyway, now we're just going to have to cover that and let everything cook and melt. All that cheese and everything. Alright, let's take a look. Oh yeah, that's doing good. I'll leave it go a little bit longer. Let's give it another check. Oh yeah, I think we're done here. Man, that is pretty big. Nice and thick. I think we're going to need a bigger pizza cutter to cut that. Alright, it looks tasty. Let's get ready to plate that up. Yeah, let's get ready to plate this up here. It just started raining. Alright, let's try to get that out of there. Oh yeah, there you go, right there. That's a big one right there. Here, let me give you a little look. There you go. Look at that, it's beautiful. A delicious spaghetti pizza with ham, sausage, green onions, spinach, and cheese. Believe that? You ought to feel the weight of that. Yeah, we'll just add a little bit of salt. A little bit of pepper. And some garlic here. You guys can hear the rain. It's really coming down out there. Yeah, let's give it a cut here. See what we got. Wow, it's thick. All of that in there, them spaghettis. Alright, let's cut it this way. Gonna need a bigger one of these. All right. Okay. Let's see if we can get a piece of that out of there. Boy, does that look good or what? Let's give it a shot. Oh my gosh. Is that loaded with stuff? I don't know if you can see that, but that is really, really loaded with stuff. I bet you that tastes good. Yeah, we're going to have to test that a little bit here. Yeah, we're going to have a little piece. Man, does that look good or what? Oh, man. Oh, yeah. You got to love this. It's really tasty. And you can pick it up and eat it. I can't believe it. Man, is that loaded with stuff. Well, there you have it, folks. Spaghetti pizza with ham, sausage, green onions, spinach, and cheese. And it's got sharp cheese on there, too. And American. Man, the rain's really coming down out here. But anyway, it's time for me to clean up the kitchen, but I think I'm going to eat a piece of that first. You're going to enjoy this one. So, I'll catch you on the next one.